everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. It's your girl in the building, ABD. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're new on this channel, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe. So this video is about how to remove and replace shower caulk. The materials I'll be using today is a silicone sealant, and this is a I-Re-caulk brand. That's it. It's a I-Re-caulk brand. Also, I'll be using the caulk gun. So, and I'll be using a remover and a smoother tool, if you can see. So I got all of this from I-Re-caulk.
I would also be using the kitchen towel to clean off any excess silicone, and also another tool I'll be introducing is a sealant finishing tool. This tool will be used to smoothen out new application of silicone. So guys, let's get straight to it. As we all can see that there's some mold appearing just behind the sealant. I've tried to wash this couple of times, but because the mold is growing right behind, so it has no effect. No matter how I keep washing, it has no effect just at the front. So what I need to do now is just to take everything off. So guys, let's get straight to this.
So this is all I got. From. So what I'm going to do first is this. I have to take this off. I'm going to cut the nozzle to the measurement of this side. I want to make use of this side and the size 16. Let me make do with 10. 10. You can see it here. This is 10, 16. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is just to measure here. If I want to use this side, then I have to move a little bit down this way. But because I want to use this side, so I'm going to measure right here.
You press the bottom of the caulk gun to release the silicone to the edges of the bathroom. That's the bathroom wall, and then you use your the finishing tool to finish up that part. Just as you can see in the straight line, I'm pressing it towards the edges, and just to have that in a straight line. And you do that to the rest of the edges of the bathroom or your shower.
So this is the end of the video, guys. Can you see the difference? If you like this video, please try to give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.